Hey everyone, I'm Lena, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your home for all things steam, sauna, and modern wellness. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced steam shower systems on the planet, ThermaSol. And when we say advanced, we mean it. SmartSteam, PowerFlush, fast start, digital valves, integrated control ecosystems, ThermaSol packs more technology into a generator than anyone else. So if you're wondering what makes ThermaSol different from Mr. Steam, Kohler, Steamist, or Amerec, this is the video you've been waiting for. Now let's talk about what actually sets ThermaSol apart. Because it's not just a feature or two, it's the whole system. For starters, ThermaSol is the only brand with SmartSteam technology, which learns how your room heats and adjusts steam output in real time. That means smoother steam, no temperature spikes, and a spa feel that's seriously hard to beat. So what is SmartSteam 360? It's ThermaSol's intelligent steam calibration system. Instead of flooding the chamber with steam in bursts, like most generators, SmartSteam creates a continuous, even steam environment. Think of it as cruise control for your steam session. Consistent warmth, consistent humidity, zero fluctuations. Now let's talk about warm-up time, because nobody wants to wait 10 minutes for their steam session. With ThermaSol's fast start, steam begins forming in seconds. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for daily users. Here's a big one: maintenance. ThermaSol's PowerFlush is one of the industry's strongest self-cleaning systems. It flushes the entire tank and removes sediment automatically. Cleaner tank, longer lifespan, fewer mineral issues, especially in hard water regions. One of the most underrated features is the ThermaSol digital shower valve. This replaces traditional plumbing valves with a fully electronic, thermostatic system that controls temperature, flow, and outlet switching. It's precise, silent, and incredibly reliable. Paired with ThermaSol controls, it feels like stepping into a luxury hotel shower. ThermaSol doesn't just sell steam generators, they created an entire integrated ecosystem. And the controls are some of the best you'll find anywhere. From sleek LCD panels to full-fledged touchscreen interfaces, you can control lighting, temperature, duration, chromotherapy, Bluetooth audio, and even steam density. Even the steam head is smart. ThermaSol uses an aromatherapy steam head with an integrated essential oil well. It also disperses steam more evenly compared to round steam heads from other brands. ThermaSol is also known for its build quality. Their Pro Series generators use commercial-grade components inside a fully serviceable chassis. And their warranty is one of the strongest. Lifetime on the generator's core and 2 years in home. ThermaSol is perfect for homeowners who want the most customizable, most advanced, and most complete steam shower experience. If you want tech, automation, smooth steam, fast heat up, and a spa-grade digital shower system, it's hard to beat. Is ThermaSol comparatively more expensive? Yes. But does it deliver the most advanced steam experience for the price? Absolutely yes. If you're building a premium bathroom or upgrading a luxury home spa, ThermaSol is absolutely worth considering. Links to all ThermaSol products are below. And if you have questions about sizing or compatibility, drop a comment. We respond to everyone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. And if you'd like more real-world insights or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint. I'm Lena, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.